I'm going to make this a very quick video, so listen closely. How I make my drawings have just three phases: the sketching, coloring, and then the final rendering. In the sketching, is quite easy. I use the pen bleed on Ibis Paint X on a new layer, low opacity, and I make a base sketch of the drawing. I do this sketch after I've already imported the real photo that I'm going to use for the background. Now the second stage in my drawing is the coloring. I make a base layer inside the folder and I just lay out the silhouette of the drawing. I create a new layer above this and clip it to the base layer, and in this new layer I've made is where I'm going to make a 3D shade. I call it a 3D shade because I'm shading the edges of the drawing to make it have a 3D effect, and I make a new layer above that, also clipped to the base silhouette, and I refine my shading. I keep going on with the whole new layer and clip, add more detail using the airbrush tool for all of this in the coloring phase. I use the color picker at random points, or I just use different colors just to give it the effect of light or darkness wherever needed. Now when I'm done coloring all the various parts, I close this layer and create a new layer below the silhouette layer in the folder. I make that layer multiply layer and shade. That's where I make the shadow of the entity which is on the ground. I do this so that it looks like the entity is actually in the real photo. Now when I've done all of this, I just refine places here and there, just what's needed, and move into the third stage, which is the final rendering. Now in this final rendering, I go back and front. The layers I've done, the coloring layers, I make changes when necessary, add more detail, erase details when needed. And the major highlight of this third step is where I make it look like it's an old photograph. I play around with filters, I add noise, I add chromatic aberrations, and even motion blurs just to make it look like it's actually a photo that was taken at a random point in time. That's actually pretty much my drawing process, and I hope that video really helped you. If you have any more questions, my comment section is always open. Just drop it out and I'll take my time to probably even make a video about it next time if need be. Have a good day.